Hey guys, I got this new DJI pocket camera, and I put a little unboxing here thing there. There's the camera cover, a little tripod, a mini control stick, a tripod mount, and a USB splitter, charging cable, a wide angle lens, a smartphone adapter for lighting, and one for USB-C, a do-it-all handle, a wireless microphone windscreen, and a wireless microphone transmitter, and a wrist strap. So let's get into unboxing. Okay, it's like unboxing a PlayStation 5. So this has got to be the camera in. That's the other stuff. This is I'm guessing the do-it-all handle. What's this? Probably the microphone transmitter. This, I think, is the thing, like where you put the camera on. And the last thing in here is, I don't know what that is. I think that's I don't know what this is. Alright, so let's get to the main thing, the camera. I don't know if this is the camera or if it's something else like this. Let's see. First, camera. Look at that. I can't read upside down. So that's the camera inside, but so like I can see it. This is what it looks like. That's like a little port in here. And that's the charger. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell for more videos and share this video to your friends. Bye guys!